Salt-free cooking, the science of a new culinary approach. Please subscribe to my channel. Introduction. Salt has long been an indispensable ingredient in kitchens around the world, enhancing flavors and adding depth to dishes. However, with the growing concern over excessive sodium intake and its impact on health, many people are turning to salt-free cooking as a healthier alternative. This culinary approach relies on innovative techniques and the careful selection of ingredients to create flavorful and satisfying meals without relying on salt. In this article, we will explore the science behind salt-free cooking and provide practical tips to help you embark on this exciting culinary journey. The role of salt in cooking. Salt is not only a seasoning agent but also a crucial component in cooking. It enhances flavors, balances sweetness, and reduces bitterness. Additionally, salt acts as a natural preservative, inhibiting bacterial growth and extending the shelf life of certain foods. However, excessive salt consumption has been linked to various health issues such as hypertension, heart disease, and kidney problems. As a result, many individuals are seeking ways to reduce their salt intake without compromising flavor. Understanding flavor profiles. To create flavorful dishes without relying on salt, it is essential to understand the concept of flavor profiles. Flavor profiles refer to the combination of taste sensations, including sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. By balancing these tastes and using ingredients with naturally intense flavors, one can create delicious dishes without excessive salt. Alternative seasonings. Salt-free cooking does not mean sacrificing taste. There is a wide range of alternative seasonings that can be used to add depth and complexity to your dishes. Some popular options include 1. Umami-rich ingredients. Umami is often referred to as the fifth taste, and is associated with a savory and meaty flavor. Incorporating umami-rich ingredients like mushrooms, tomatoes, miso paste, soy sauce, and nutritional yeast can elevate the taste of your dishes. 2. Aromatics. Onions, garlic, shallots, and ginger are aromatic ingredients that can impart rich flavors to your cooking. Sautéing these ingredients before adding other components can enhance the overall taste of your dish. 3. Vinegar. Balsamic, apple cider, and rice vinegar can add a tangy and acidic element to your dishes. They work well in dressings, marinades, and pickling recipes. 4. Citrus. Lemon, lime, and orange zest or juice can provide a refreshing tanginess to dishes. They are particularly effective in brightening up salads, marinades, and sauces. 5. Herbs and spices. Fresh or dried herbs and spices such as basil, oregano, cumin, turmeric, and paprika can add a burst of flavor to your meals. Experiment with different combinations to create unique taste profiles. Cooking techniques to enhance flavor. In addition to alternative seasonings, certain cooking techniques can also enhance the flavors of salt-free dishes. 1. Slow cooking. Slow cooking methods like braising, stewing, and roasting allow flavors to develop and intensify over time. This can compensate for the absence of salt by creating deep, rich flavors. 2. Caramelization. Browning ingredients, such as onions or vegetables, can bring out their natural sweetness. This can add complexity and depth to your dishes. 3. Reduction. Simmering sauces, stocks, or broths can concentrate their flavors, making them more robust and flavorful. 4. Marinating. Marinating proteins or vegetables in flavorful liquids like citrus juice, vinegar, or herbs and spices can infuse them with taste before cooking. Conclusion. Salt-free cooking is an exciting culinary approach that prioritizes health without compromising flavor. By understanding the science behind flavor profiles, exploring alternative seasonings, and employing various cooking techniques, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that are low in sodium. Embrace the challenge of salt-free cooking, and let your creativity shine in the kitchen as you embark on this flavorful journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching.